I don't know, what do you guys think? Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We're back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about these ceramics that I have here. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do like the video, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in this kind of videos, I'm going to be polishing this concrete slab that I have here. But first I want to show you guys the ceramics. You have the number here, 30 grit, and also here. It's a good thing to have it here because normally over time this paper tends to fly away. That's the front. I don't know if you can tell in the video. Yeah, the diamonds, nice and shiny. Let me show you guys the 50. The diamonds are going to be a little smaller compared to the 30. And this is your 100. Probably you're not going to be able to see this diamond is going to be smaller. But let me show you guys between the 30 and the 100. You guys can see the diamonds there. See that? I'm not going to be using these brand new ones because I already have some used ones here. I have a 30 and a 50. The only one I'm going to be using brand new one is that 100 because I don't have any used ones. So I'm going to put this on the side. And I'm gonna put the 30 ceramic on the hand grinder. I'm gonna show you guys how easy to open your concrete slab, especially if you have a brand new concrete slab or you're doing a countertop or brand new concrete. You don't have to use your metals. You can go straight to your ceramics. That's where I think this ceramics shine the most, for like brand new concrete and for removing scratches from your metals. They're very, very good. Also, they're gonna last you longer than any polishing pads. I call these polishing pads or flexible pads, however you guys want to call it. Alright, so I just finished running the 30. I'm gonna bring you guys closer so you guys can see. Don't put the tension on the holes because I'm not gonna feel any of that. I just want to demonstrate how the ceramic leaves the floor. The 30 ceramic, it leaves very fine lines compared to your 30 metal. Very smooth. Like I said, you got a brand new concrete, it's no point to run your metal. Now I'm gonna put my 30 grit 12 segment so you guys can see how easy to remove the scratches with your 30 grit ceramic. You can see the difference between the scratches from your metal compared to your 30. Deeper scratches. Now I'm gonna put my 30 ceramic again because I want to show you guys how easy to remove the scratches from your 30 metal. You can go straight to your 50 if you want to. Me personally like to run my 30 because it's gonna be faster, and then go straight to your 100. So you have a brand new concrete, you want to expose aggregate on the concrete like the rocks, then you're not going to be able to start with that 30. You want to start with something more aggressive. I'm going to go straight to the 100. You guys can see there, that's the 100. Pretty smooth. You want to keep it flat. Unless you have a little bit of experience, then maybe you can tilt it a little bit high, but this is normally to run it flat. If your concrete is too wavy, you might want to use your metal to flat your concrete out, because if the concrete is super wavy, I don't recommend you to use the ceramics. For the most part, you can use your ceramics 90%, 95% of your jobs and stuff like that. You can go straight to your 400, but me personally, I just like to run sometimes the 200, just in case that I left some sort of lines or stuff like that. Run my 200 real quick and keep polishing it. Now I'm gonna densify this concrete slab, and I'm gonna take it just for the fun up to like a 1500 grit, so you guys can see. It's very important you guys densify your concrete slab. What densifier that I use, there's 3 brands that I normally use. This is one of them by Prososco. You guys can see there, because I know you guys gonna be asking. Or you guys can use one, this American Polish. I'm gonna put it here. There's a lot of different types of densifier, but that will be for another video. Just have in mind that the densifier is just hardening your concrete and seal a lot of the pores of your concrete. And also it's not gonna seal 100%, okay? So after this is dry, we're gonna continue with the 800. You see there? It's a pretty good shine, but you can get better shine if all these little holes here, they're filled. Keep an eye on this. I'm gonna put the sealer so you guys can see how it looks before and after. This is the sealer by the same company, or you can use the other company I use is American Polish, but I like this one. If I don't have find this one, then I use American Polish. I'm gonna put it here. I'm not getting sponsored by them, but I will talk about the sealers in other video. And just have in mind that sealer normally help you a little bit with the shine. Depends on what kind of sealer you're using. I'm using an LS guard. So I'm gonna start now. I don't know, what do you guys think? So you guys can see the lights from the ceiling now. Like I said, you can get better shine than this if these little holes will be filled. But this is just a demonstration for you guys, so you have a better understanding. Going back to these ceramics, guys, I recommend you guys these ceramics. You know, they're very good to removing scratches, like I told you guys early, from your metals or open brand new concrete. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys interested in this kind of ceramics or any floor grinders that we sell, check out this website here or the phone number. Give us a call, man. If you guys interested in any questions regarding to this or the floor grinders that we sell. And that's it, guys. See you guys in the next one.